Hello friends, have you ever wondered why is the lion considered the king of the jungle? Think about it for a second. The elephant is much bigger and stronger than him. The cheetah is way faster than him. And the hyena or the fox is often smarter and trickier. Yet, when the lion walks, even the elephant makes way. Why? The answer doesn't lie in his size or his speed, it lies in his attitude and his wisdom. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a lion who proved that being a king isn't just about roaring loud, it's about knowing when to roar. This story might change the way you look at leadership and patience. So, let's begin. Many years ago in a vast savanna lived an old lion named Aslan. Aslan was old, scarred, and moved slowly. But his eyes held the experience of 1,000 battles. In the same pride, there was a young, powerful lion named Kian. Kian was full of energy. He had sharp claws and massive strength, but he lacked patience. One summer, a terrible drought hit the jungle. Water was scarce. Taking advantage of this weakness, a large pack of hyenas entered their territory. They started stealing food and mocking the lions. Kian was furious. His blood was boiling. He went to Aslan and roared, "Aslan, look at them. They are disrespecting us. We must attack them right now and tear them apart." Aslan looked at Kian calmly and said, "Not today, Kian. We wait." Kian couldn't believe it. He shouted, "You have grown old and scared, Aslan. I am not a coward like you." Ignoring the elder's advice, Kian gathered 2 of his friends and charged blindly at the hyenas. But this is exactly what the hyenas wanted. They were small, but they were many. They surrounded Kian and his friends. Because of the heat and hunger, Kian tired out quickly. The hyenas attacked from all sides. Kian fought bravely, but he was overwhelmed. Badly injured and humiliated, he barely managed to escape with his life. He returned to the pride, bleeding and defeated. Aslan didn't say, "I told you so." Instead, he stood up. He sniffed the air. The wind had changed. Dark clouds were gathering. A storm was coming. Aslan looked at the pride and said, "Now we move." He led the pride towards a narrow canyon, a deep gorge between 2 cliffs. He stood at the end of the canyon and let out a massive roar, challenging the hyenas. Thinking the old lion was an easy target, the hyenas rushed into the narrow canyon. Just as they were all trapped inside the narrow path, the storm broke. Heavy rain poured down, and within minutes, the dry canyon turned into a rushing river of mud and water. The hyenas were stuck. They couldn't run and they couldn't fight. Aslan and his pride waited on the high ground. They won the battle without even scratching a claw. That day, Kian realized something profound. Aslan looked at the young lion and said, "Kian, anger makes you blind, but patience makes you dangerous." In life, we often react quickly when we are angry. We want instant results. But remember, the lion is the king not because he fights every dog that barks at him, but because he knows his worth and waits for the right moment. If this story inspired you, please hit that like button. For more powerful stories like this, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Stay wise, stay strong.